Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Reselling with Rachel. I'm Rachel. I'm a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app, as well as eBay and Mercari since 2019. On this channel, I'll be making videos related to reselling. If that sounds good to you, please hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll be notified of videos I make every week. So make sure you also hit that bell. In this episode, I'm going to let you know what's sold on Poshmark from December 12th through the 18th. I'm wearing my ugly Christmas sweater, getting ready for the holidays. It says believe, and I really truly believe that if you put your mind to anything, you can achieve it. So if anyone else is out there reselling along with me, and maybe this was a slow week or you've had some hard times, I hope you stay in the belief and knowing that things will get better. If you haven't already done so, please check out my closet. The link is down below, and I've also included a coupon code in the description box. If you check out my closet, Lemon Marzipan, and if it's your first time purchasing, you can use my coupon code to save $10 off your first purchase. I'm adding things every single day. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and other places as well. Everything is down below in the description box. And I'll include the order details, which will have the brand and the price and what was paid. If you want to know what was deposited into my account, it's really simple. Poshmark takes flat fees. So if an item sells for more than $15, Poshmark will take 20%. If an item sells for less than $15, Poshmark takes a flat $2.95. I also want to say that the prices in no way reflect the value of the item. I'm running a business, and so I'm always sending deals and accepting reasonable offers. I've also taken the time to timestamp the video below so you can easily navigate through and see what types of brands have sold and what they've sold for. So for the week of December 12th through the 18th, I sold a total of 17 items and one bundle. The first item that sold was a Victoria's Sport Incredible Bra for $18. The next item to sell is a Pink by Victoria's Secret full zip lightweight hoodie for $12. This really beautiful gold threaded Michael Kors blouse sold for $14. This Roxy pullover cowl neck sweater top sold for $21. Bundle sold for $60, and it included a Roxy striped thermal cotton long sleeve top that I had listed for $18, a Columbia full zip vest that I had listed for $41, and this Lucky Brand Birds design with a scoop neck I had listed for $21. This really cute pink short sleeve top by Nasty Gal, it says maybe baby, maybe baby, sold for $15. This long sleeve Pink by Victoria's Secret blouse sold for $7. A pair of Chinese laundry leather peep toe booties by Kristen Calavari sold for $18. This Carhartt full zip hoodie sold for $18. This really cool asymmetrical Lululemon Athletica full zip hoodie sold for $50. The North Face raglan shirt sold for $13. REI 2016 Centennial National Park adjustable cotton hat sold for $18. This OP pink plaid newsboy cap sold for $14. This Big Star Remy boot cut jeans sold for $21. This full zip Torrid gray, pink, and white sweater sold for $28. And this Socialite waffle knit sweater sold for $9. And the Telluride acrylic knit sweater sold for $20. So that's everything. That was for the week of December 12th through the 18th. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I know I can kind of talk a little fast. I try to slow down. If there's other information you'd like me to include, please let me know. I don't mind it. I just want to include my cost of goods. And if you're curious to know where I get my stuff, you can check out one of my other videos as well. I do thrift hauls on there. I'll be putting more videos like that up soon this coming year. Yeah, this was a kind of a slow week for me. I'm not kind of used to it, but Hopefully, I am believing that in the coming week, I'll have, better sales. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be posting next week, and I'll see you there. Have a great one. Bye.